Regarding the examples on steady state error. So steady state error can be defined as the difference between reference input and the feedback signal, that is actual output. So we have already seen the derivation of steady state error. So we can find out the steady state error, that is ESS is equal to limit S tends to 0 SRS upon 1 plus GSHS. So from the expression we conclude that the steady state error depends upon RS, that is reference input, its type and magnitude, then GSHS, that is open loop transfer function, and dominant non-linearities present if any. So we have already seen the different formulas. So first is the expression for steady state error, that is ESS equal to limit S tends to 0 SRS upon 1 plus GSHS. Then for the different inputs we have the different formulae, that is for step input the expression for find out static error coefficient, that is Kp. Kp means it is a positional error coefficient, that is equal to limit S tends to 0 GSHS, and the corresponding steady state error is ESS equal to A upon 1 plus Kp. Then for second input, that is ramp input of magnitude A, the formula is ESS equal to limit or Kv, that is velocity error coefficient, that is Kv equal to limit S tends to 0 SGSHS, and corresponding steady state error will be ESS equal to A upon Kv. And the third input, that is parabolic input. So acceleration error coefficient, we can find out acceleration error coefficient Ka is equal to limit S tends to 0 S square GSHS, and corresponding steady state error that we can find out by ESS equal to A upon Ka. So these are the different formulas to solve the examples on steady state error. So the first example, so the control system having unity feedback has GS. So transfer function GS it is given, and HS means it is a unity feedback system, means HS it is equal to 1. So GS equal to 20 upon S into bracket 1 plus 4S and into bracket 1 plus S, and we have to determine different static error coefficient. So we have to find out Kp, that is positional error coefficient Kp, velocity error coefficient Kv, and acceleration error coefficient Ka. And then we have to find out, we have to calculate, or we have to determine steady state error if input RT it is given is 2 plus 40 plus t square by 2. So position error constant, that is Kp. So formula for Kp is limit S tends to 0 GSHS. So first of all we have to find out GSHS. So value of HS equal to 1. So GSHS that will be equal to 20 upon S into 1 plus 4S into 1 plus S. So limit, take the limit S tends to 0 20 upon S 1 plus 4S plus 1 plus S. So we can find out the value of Kp, that will be equal to infinity because limit is S tends to 0. So position error constant or coefficient Kp equal to infinity. Then velocity error coefficient Kv. So formula for Kv, it is limit S tends to 0 S GSHS. So this is a formula to find out velocity error coefficient Kv. So put the value of GSHS in the expression. So Kv equal to 20 upon 1 plus 4S into 1 plus S. So Kv equal to 20. And acceleration error constant or coefficient Ka, formula is limit S tends to 0 S square GSHS. Put the value of GSHS in this expression. We will get Ka equal to 0. So these are the three, that is position error coefficient, velocity error coefficient, and acceleration error coefficient. Now find out the steady state error, and for that RT, that is reference input, it is given. So RT equal to 2 plus 4t plus t square by 2. So steady state error is given by ESS equal to limit s tends to 0 SRS upon 1 plus GSHS. So that is a formula that we have already derived. So put the value of RS. So take the input, it is given, reference input it is given, RT equal to 2 plus 4t plus t square plus t square upon 2. So take the Laplace of that reference input. So Laplace of RT, that will be equal to RS equal to 2 upon S plus 4 upon S square plus 1 upon S cube. So put the value of RS in this expression and then take the limit. You will get ESS equal to infinity. So that is the problem regarding problem 1, solution regarding problem 1. Then the second problem, the control system having unity feedback. Unity feedback means value of HS equal to 1. So GS equal to 50 into bracket S plus 5 upon S square, and we are to ask to find out different static error coefficient. So different static error coefficients are positional error coefficient, that is Kp, that we have to find out. Then velocity error coefficient Kv, and acceleration error coefficient Ka, that we have to find out. So first, that is position error coefficient Kp equal to limit s tends to 0 GSHS, that is a formula. So put the value of GSHS. So this is given in a problem. GS equal to 50 into bracket S plus 5 upon S square into 1. Value of HS equal to 1. So we have to put the value here and take the limit. After taking the limit, you will get the value of Kp, that will be equal to infinity. Then find out velocity error coefficient Kv equal to limit s tends to 0 S GSHS, that is a formula. We have to put the value of GSHS in this expression and take the limit. So Kv equal to limit s tends to 0 50 S plus 5 upon S square. So S it is cancelled, and in the denominator only S that will remain present. So after taking limits, you will get Kv equal to infinity. Then find out the acceleration error constant. The formula is K equal to limit s tends to 0 S square GSHS. So K equal to limit s tends to 0 S square. Put the value of GSHS in the expression. So S square cancelled. You have to take the limit of limit s tends to 0 50 S plus 5. So you will get the value of Ka equal to 250. So these are the, so this is the solution of example number 2. Then example number 3, the control system having GS. So value of GS it is given, transfer function GS it is given 20 upon S into bracket S square plus 2S plus 5, and HS it is given. It is not a unity feedback. So value of HS it is given, that is equal to 10 upon S plus 4, and determine different static error coefficient. So you have to find out value of Kp, Kv and Ka, and you have to find out the steady state error if input RT is given, that is 5 plus 10t plus t square plus 2. So first of all, find out value of GSHS. So velocity error coefficient, value of Kv, that is limit s tends to 0 S GSHS, that is a formula given. Put the value of GSHS in the expression. So you will get Kv equal to 10. Then position error constant Kp, the formula is Kp equal to limit s tends to 0 GSHS. You have to put the value of GSHS in this expression. After taking the limit, you will get value of Kp equal to infinity. Then velocity, that is already seen, and acceleration error coefficient, that is limit s tends to 0 S square. We have to put the value of GSHS in this expression. So after taking the limits, you will get value of Ka equal to 0. So this is a problem that is given, and we have to put the values in this. Then last, that is steady state error, that we have to find out for the input. Input it is given RT equal to 5 plus 10t plus t square by 2. So for that input, you have to take the Laplace, that is Rs equal to Laplace of reference input 5 upon S plus 10 upon S square plus 1 upon S cube. So steady state error, it is given by ESS equal to limit S tends to 0 SRS upon 1 plus GSHS. So that is the formula for finding out steady state error. So put the value of GSHS and RS in the expression. So you will get this value, and after taking the limit, after simplification, after taking the limit, the value of ESS equal to infinity. So that is example 4, that is control system having unity feedback. It is given GS equal to 20 into bracket 1 plus S upon S square into bracket 2 plus S and 4 plus into 4 plus S. So determine different static error coefficients and steady state error if input it is given, that is 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So first of all, find out position error coefficient Kp is equal to limit S tends to 0 GSHS. So GS and HS means it is 1 because it is unity feedback. So put the value of this transfer function in the expression and take the limit. So after taking the limit, you will get the value of Kp equal to infinity. Then velocity error constant. So Kv equal to limit S tends to 0 S GS HS, that is a formula that you have to use, and then put the value of GS HS in this expression, and after taking the limit you will get Kv equal to infinity. Then the acceleration error constant or coefficient Ka is equal to limit S tends to 0 S square GS HS, that is a formula that we have to use, and put the value of GS HS in this expression. So S square that will be get cancelled, and then take the limit of the remaining part. You will get Ka equal to 5 upon 2. Then find out steady state error for the given input. Input given is RT equal to 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So take the Laplace of the reference input, that will be Rs is equal to 40 upon S plus 2 upon S square plus 10 upon S cube. So we know the equation or the formula for finding out steady state error. So ESS equal to limit S tends to 0 SRS upon 1 plus GSHS. Put the value of RS in a numerator and put the value of GSHS in a denominator. After taking the limit, you will get the value of steady state error ESS equal to 4. So this is regarding the examples on a steady state error. Thank you.